really any industry that you are going to go in, you are going to be able to scale faster if you actually network. Not only to scale, but to grow. You're going to learn so much stuff by networking. However, there's a lot of you guys that actually do not understand what it is to network. And I'm making this video because based on something that I've been noticing more and more right here on this space, that I already noticed in the past, by the way, but that I'm starting to notice more and more, even right here with my personal brand. Because yesterday something happened on the Discord server, and I was actually a little bit pissed off about it, because I see this more and more, and there's people that literally think that because you offer some stuff for free, you teach a lot of stuff for free, because I taught a ton of people for free, right? And that because of that, it's the gates are open to come and get all the help that you want for free without giving anything back, And it's not that you absolutely need to give things back, to give back when you actually receive something, right? You should. And this is literally why I'm making, one of the reasons why I actually started this YouTube channel, because I learned a lot of stuff on YouTube as in one of my way to actually give back, to the community and to humanity as a whole, Okay, I'm maybe making too much. I'm maybe going too far about it, but you understand where I'm trying to go, right? And so, one thing that a lot of guys, and probably you fail to understand, is that, if you want to network, if you want to actually learn from other people, it's not only about going and asking and trying to take as much value as you can without giving anything back. Because people are going to notice that, and people are not going to help you, are going to stop to help you, right? And so, of course, when you start giving value to people, some people may take advantage of it, and so at that time, of course, stop doing it. But if you do it enough, people are going to start noticing you and will be 100% willing to help you. And this is what actually happened with me with this YouTube channel and with all the stuff, and even before the YouTube channel. Before I go a little bit deeper into that, because I need to provide you guys context. But before we do, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right here on YouTube for free that can teach you how to become a 7-figure seller. On Discord, we have a Discord server. I'm always on Discord answering you guys' questions. You can see any question, I'm answering them, whether it is in English, whether it is in French, I'm answering everything. Okay, I'm answering everything. And so, before I actually started creating content, so yeah, subscribe and like this video, by the way, if you want to learn more. But before I actually started creating content right here on YouTube, because for me right now, it's super easy to actually network, right? People come to me, I don't even have to go to people. But before I actually created content, before I actually did create content, right, I used to go on other people's server, not even to ask questions, but to actually answer people's questions. And if you go to other big servers in the community, you just type my name and you're going to see that I answered a ton of people's questions. Yes, I asked some questions, but I was answering a ton of people's questions. And so this is how I actually made my first connection in the space, and I was actually able to learn a lot of shit by those people. And so the truth is, it may sound corny, but the more you give, the more you are going to receive back in returns. There's a lot of the loops that I've been taking advantage of, that I've been using to make profit, that I got from other people just because I networked a lot. And it's not that I network a lot, but just because I give so much shit for free. And I know that if anything happened to me, I have some issues with X, Y, or Z, or even in another industry that I might be in, for example, and I will always be grateful. Last year, when I actually built the PC for this YouTube channel that I use for all my content creation and all that stuff, I did not know anything about building a PC, and there was one guy in the Discord server that is called SaveAt that actually helped me choose the part, and that actually made my whole PC build, okay, for free. He gave me his help for free just because I helped. I always give value regarding Amazon. I helped him a lot, even if we never talk one-on-one. And so he was super happy to help me build my PC. So he helped me build my PC, it helped me choose the part and all that stuff. So big shout out to SaveAt, by the way. I will always be grateful for that. But just so you guys understand, the more you give, the more value you provide, the more, if you need anything, you will actually get back. And so this is pretty much how it works, and if you want to network, this is the right way to do it. It's not about, and so for example, if you come on a Discord server And the only thing you do is ask questions, trying to take stuff, and then never actually reply to people. It's not an issue if you do not have, of course, if you do not have answer to give, but like, because there was one guy that, and actually you can see it if you go on the Discord server. You go to sell a question and it's right there. This is this discussion. There was this guy that I noticed, was coming on Discord server, asking question, and as soon as he had his answer, he actually left the Discord server every single time, and he did it since last year. He did it like 15 times. And the reason why I'm going to tell you it's not okay is because, the point of, because yes, join the Discord server, by the way, because it's a great place to actually get help and to actually meet new sellers, right? The Discord server is not a huge server just yet. There's like 950 people. So it's small enough so you can have daily interaction with people, but also it's not like you're just going to be 5 on the Discord server, right? But like, the whole point of this of the Discord server is that you guys, me included, can actually talk about stuff. We can actually share our opinions on stuff if somebody is actually facing an issue. And the point is that you can receive help, and you should absolutely give back to the community for the help that you actually receive by answering other people's questions. And there's a lot of people actually doing that, I'm not the only person actually answering. If you actually look, people actually reply to other people when they ask questions, because this is the way it is. You receive value and you give back to the community where you learned some stuff. This is how it works, because this shit is actually given to you for free. All this shit is for free. And so you receive value, you give back to the community whenever somebody needs help. This is how it works with stuff like this, and this is how you're going to be able to build connection. Because if you actually look at this guy has been facing some issues that he's been facing for a long time. And you do bad. Like if you carry your business this way, if all you want to do is take, of course you're never going to be able to have some, like, you're not going to have anything good going for you. Of course, if this is how you treat this thing, and if you only want to extract stuff without giving anything away, right? It's not going to work. And so that's really what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you join a community, if you get any type of value from people in a specific community, you should always give back. If you receive help for free, if you receive help from one person for free, always try to help 3 other people on the other side, because this is some people that actually help you. This is a community that help you. Just give back to the community. That's it. And you do not need to give money. You do not need to all that stuff. This is not what I'm saying, but you should, if you received some help, go ahead and help some other people on that same community. That's how it works, and this is how you're going to be able to build some connection, by actually providing more value than you receive. And this is literally what I did with this YouTube channel for a long time. If you actually look on the YouTube channel, I did a lot of shit for free for a long time. And this is also why I decided, because, well, yes, as I was saying, there's a lot of people that are actually super rude when they come and they ask questions. They do not even say hi. They do not even say nothing. They just expect a question like it's some free support service. This is not what it is, okay? And this is why also, do not come on the Discord server and open a ticket to actually ask a question that you could have asked. Like, please read that stuff. Do not come and ask a question that you could have asked in general or in seller question or whatever, because that way other sellers, and it's all about paying back as well, that way other sellers that face the same issue can do a search, because there's the search right there, on what's it called? Right there on the top right. That way, if somebody asks the same question as you, they can actually find it. This is why also, if you have a question that you can ask in the community, do it instead of coming into my Instagram DM or my Twitter DM. Do it this way. It's better because it can help more people when you will receive an answer, and that way other people can actually benefit from that answer as well. Okay, it's not the Discord server and my help. It's not just some free on demand support for you to actually grow your Amazon business. Okay, if you want that, come on my coaching program. Okay, if this is what you want. The point of this is to be able to get help for the community. Okay, for a community of like-minded sellers. That's how it works. So please If you actually try to network also, it's not about, if you want to network, it's not about going on Twitter and saying, hey, I'm here, I started selling on Amazon. If you want to network, DM me. This is not how you network, okay? People don't give a shit about you. This is not how you network. Provide people with some value, okay? And people will want to talk back to you. That's it, okay? Document your process. Document the process of you actually growing your business. People will relate to that, and this is how you do it. But it's not about, hey, I started selling on Amazon, DM to network with me. This is not how it works. Stop trying to extract stuff. Provide people some value, and then you receive this. Then you receive 10 times more. And I guarantee, it may sound corny, but until you actually commit to provide value to the community, until you refuse, like if you keep refusing to provide value to the community, and the only thing that you do is try to extract value from the community, it's not going to work, okay? I guarantee if you actually provide value, and it may take some time, okay? If you actually look at how long it took for me to actually build an okay size brand, because yes, my brand is not huge yet, you know, but like it took me some time to build it that way. It's by providing value. It's not like, and I'm actually proud of the way I actually did it. I did not do any collaboration, any of that bullshit, you know, trying to how can I say this not in a vulgar way? I don't know, but not trying to rub people the right way so they actually promote me. Is just by providing value. The only way I actually build my brand, like the way I actually build my brand, is just by providing value every single day to you guys on YouTube. And this is why I know if I have anything, if I have any issue, I know that there's always going to be somebody that is going to be willing to help me, because I've been providing value for like 1 year and a half now. Yeah, because we are in June. At the end of the month, it will be 1 day and a half. I've been providing value every single day on YouTube, every single day on Discord for free, okay? I mean, if you watch on YouTube, yes, you need to watch ads and all that stuff, but like whatever. You understand what I'm trying to say? This is why you actually create content to actually network. This is how you do it, okay? And so if you want to network, like if you actually join a community, give back to the community. The more you give to the community, the more you're gonna get. Once again, it's not about extracting value. So hopefully this video was helpful and it taught you how to network as an Amazon seller. You do not need to create YouTube videos just like I do. Just post on Twitter. I mean, Twitter, if you post the right way on Twitter, it's the easiest way to grow, and you start talking to people on Twitter. I mean, you need to do it consistently. Okay, it's the easiest way to grow. Okay, growing on YouTube is, I mean, really growing on YouTube is the easiest if you are comfortable in front of a camera and all that stuff. But there's a 99% chance that you cannot do what I do on YouTube, okay? Daily, because nobody's doing it. Nobody in the space is doing daily videos like I do on about selling on Amazon on YouTube. And you are definitely, like, I'm pretty sure that you will not be able to do it for 1 year straight, let alone 1 month, all right? It's not something that's easy if you are not comfortable in front of a camera, and it's a lot of work. It's not something that I was born with, but it's a lot of work to reach that point, you know? So, yeah. That's probably not what you should do. But yeah, you can grow on just post on Twitter, just post on Facebook, just post on Instagram, especially on Twitter. Try to join the discussion with people, chip in with people when they have issues. Do this every single day. Answer to 20 people, like talk to 20 people on Twitter. It should not take you too long. If you spend 1 hour a day, you can actually find people that are asking questions about online arbitrage, about Amazon FBA on Twitter. Answer their question, join the discussion this way. Go on Discord server, join the discussions on Discord server. And it's all about joining the discussion, okay? It's not about making yourself pass as a guru or whatever. It's just about joining the discussion, and you're going to be able to grow a network this way. That's it. If the only thing that you do is trying to extract value, it's not going to work for you. All right, so just know you're going to get banned from the Discord server if, you know, we notice a pattern and this is what you've been doing over and over again. Because to be honest, I'm getting tired. I'm sick and tired of helping people that are rude, that are not polite. And that do not appreciate this shit. You know, I'm really sick and tired of it. I've done this shit for free for 1 year and a half. You know, at least say hi and be polite when you ask a question. You know, be courteous. Do not come and say, hey, da, da, da. Like, if you actually look at it, you know what? Let's go back to look at it. It's this one. Here we go. and then tags me immediately. Also, do not come and tag me immediately because this is going to piss me off. I'm always on the Discord server. I receive a ton of notification on Discord, okay? I'm coming multiple times a day on the Discord server. So, do not, if you see that I don't answer after 30 seconds, do not ping me. It's going to piss me off. And like, to be honest, like I'm going to be 100% honest with you. If you do it once, it's fine. Okay, but if you do it all the time, you're gonna get banned as well. You know, I don't give a shit, and you guys know, I don't give a fuck. If you're a bum, I will tell you that you're a bum, and I don't care. You're not going to cancel me. Like at the end of the day, I don't live with my personal brand, so it's not like I'm an influencer that cannot be cancelled. I don't care. Okay, if you're a bum, I'll tell you that you're a bum. That's all I wanted to say. So yeah, like at the end of the day, I'll tell you, I don't care about an extra 100 subscriber on the Discord server, about all that shit. I really don't care about it. So yeah. You will get banned if you do this. Please understand, I'm coming on a Discord server multiple times a day, answering everybody's questions, always chipping in. Even if somebody else answers, I either say what I think about it, or if it's just enough, I just leave a thumbs up. But yeah, so just understand that, okay? Like there's no need to do all this shit. I'm always over there, okay? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.